Surreal and at the same time, dreams do come true. Yes, first taker. With the grace of God, yeah. Yeah, they're from Dr. Carl Balita Review Center. I've been teaching with I've been a reviewer for CBRC for a long time, and it helped me sa aking law school, finances and moral support. I was actually top, yeah, na magte-take ng nursing board, and actually, I'm also a nursing top-notcher. So, so nurse RN, attorney RN na ako finally ngayon. Because I wanted to help our nurses, health workers who are actually abused and violated, yung violation ng mga labor laws with regard to the healthcare workers. I wanted to become a solution for that. That inspired me actually ang bargain ko. Pag nagtap ako sa nursing, magte-take ako ng abogado. And finally, this is it. This is the moment I've waited for, where the dream and the dreamer becomes one.
Sir, how does it feel reading your name dun dito sa electronic board?
I just feel so blessed. I just feel so blessed out of the many takers. I feel so blessed na tupad yung pangarap ko na maging abogado at makatulong sa ating mga marginalized sectors, especially the healthcare industry and also sa agriculture industry.